I'm back again. Once I was the lovesick man, now I'm the plumber man. And I got something for all you ladies out there. This is Charles Wilson. Listen, like a plumber, baby, I wanna lay some pipe. I said you better beware, girl. This job may take all night. Girl, I'm gonna, baby, I'm gonna make you sweat. We don't need no towel, girl, because it's good when it's wet. Oh, baby, gonna take my plunger, unstrap your drain. With what I got, I can do most anything, 'cause I'm the plumber man. That's who I am, baby. I'm the plumber man. I can fix most anything. I'm gonna start working, baby, from your head down to your feet. I'm gonna work in places that the naked eye can't see. I'm gonna make your body pucker up. I'm gonna give you good love, girl, till you holler, Charles Wilson, that's enough. You know my work, honey, is guaranteed. You're gonna say keep the change. I don't need no receipt, 'cause I'm the plumber man. That's who I am, baby. I'm the plumber man. I can fix most anything. I'm your silky, silky man. That's who I am, baby. I'm your silky, silky man. I can fix most anything. I'm out here knocking, baby, let me in. Once you get my business, you're gonna want it again, 'cause I'm the plumber man. Ain't no job too big for Charles Wilson, no, 'cause